Station of the fuse box in the engine bay, Citroen DS3. To the right of the engine, this box, just some clips. There's always a wonder if whether they press or pull, because with them being plastic you don't want to do too much. It's very hard to get your finger in this end. There's no room there. There's your little retaining lugs, if you like. I feel like you press that, pull it, but I don't want to do either, to be honest. I think it's a pull and then there you go. So you pull that tab out and push that up. Possibly that, yeah, that one to the right. Pull that out as well. And by jiggling it about, and as always, something that should be so easy to get out isn't. And there's your fuses and solenoids and relays in the engine bay. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps. Catch you again in the next one. Stay safe.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and click on the bell notification button for more. It all helps with the YouTube algorithm.
Refitting the lid is the opposite to taking off. It doesn't help doing one-handed either. I've only got little hands, which in some cases is good. Once they've clipped in, those two down there, 1, 2, that one there just clipped in, and then the one at the front just give it a little pull, that's on. It's even got the little fuse symbol on the lid.